In this video, I will unbox the MSD HVC-II Ignition Coil part number 82613. Here is a quick view of the outside of the box. Cut the piece of tape on the bottom of the box to open it. First out of the box is the parts bag. Included in the parts bag are the 4 vibration mounts, coil wire connector and boot, as well as other hardware and electrical connectors. This is the HVC-II Ignition Coil. Last out of the box are the instructions. Please use the link with this video to download all applicable technical resources for this product, including documents and software, from Holly.com.